Looking to transform your home with plants that make a statement? Big leaf houseplants are all the rage, bringing lush greenery and a tropical vibe to any indoor space. Stick around till the end to find out which one might be perfect for your home. First up, the round-leaf calathea, known for its wide leathery foliage with creamy green stripes. It thrives in humid conditions and well-draining soil, making it a great indoor choice. The Hawaiian pothos is another eye-catching option. With its variegated oversized leaves, this pothos variety stands out. It loves a mix of bright shade and a few hours of direct sunlight. Fiddle-leaf fig is a favorite among houseplant lovers. Its massive ruffled green leaves make a bold statement, and when given indirect sunlight, it can reach heights of 5 to 7 feet indoors. Philodendron varieties, especially Philodendron gloriosum, feature velvety green leaves with white veins that create a luxurious feel in any space. Variegated alocasia, also called giant taro, lives up to its name with massive leaves bigger than your head. It thrives in medium to bright light and high humidity. For a unique look, the ruffled fan palm offers huge pleated leaves resembling elegant hand fans. This exotic beauty prefers bright, indirect light. Dumb cane or Dieffenbachia can grow up to 8 to 10 feet tall indoors. Its large variegated foliage and easy care nature make it a great pick for any plant enthusiast. The rubber plant stands out with its glossy, broad leaves, whether in solid green or variegated varieties. Over time, its foliage grows larger, adding to its appeal. Hosta plants, usually grown outdoors, can also thrive indoors. Their waxy dappled green or blue-green leaves bring a refreshing look to shaded indoor spaces. Giant bird of paradise is perfect for those who love bold, tropical plants. Its banana plant-like leaves create a striking indoor jungle vibe, especially in bright, indirect light. Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is famous for its massive hole-filled leaves. It's a showstopper when placed in indirect light with well-draining soil. Velvet leaf anthurium, or Anthurium magnificum, features soft velvety leaves that can grow up to 2 feet in length. Keep it in bright indirect light for the best results. Finally, the cigar plant, or Calathea lutea, surprises with its banana-like leaves that make a bold indoor statement. Give it bright indirect light and watch it thrive. These houseplants don't just bring greenery, they transform spaces with their sheer size and beauty. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant inspiration.